How to activate YouTube Premium with code. Activating YouTube Premium with a code is quick and easy, and in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started and unlock those premium features. First, make sure you have your activation code ready. You might have received this from a promotional email, a gift card, or a special offer. Keep it handy as we will need it in just a moment. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in youtube.com/redeem and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now enter your activation code in the field provided. Double check for any typos, then click on Next to proceed. After entering your code, you will see a summary of the offer. If everything looks good, click or tap Redeem to activate YouTube Premium on your account. You should see a confirmation message once the process is complete. And that's it. You have successfully activated YouTube Premium with your code. Now you can enjoy ad-free content, background play, and all the other premium features across your YouTube and YouTube Music. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.